Hello everyone. In today's video of Marg ERP, we will learn that how you can modify or change the bank details in the ledger of any particular party or the customer as per the requirement. So before starting the process, we will learn that why there is a need to change or modify the bank details of any ledger of the party. Like you have to transfer the fund to any of your party or customer from ICICI banking payment, that is NEFT, IMPS, etc. So for that you must have correct means updated bank details of all your parties or customers in the software. Suppose if any of your party has changed their bank, so in that case you have to modify the bank details of that particular party or customer. Means you need to update the bank details of that party in the software. Because if you don't change or update the bank details of that party or customer in your records, then issues might occur while transferring the fund, or there might be a possibility that the fund get transferred to a wrong account. So in such cases we need to modify or update the bank details, and when there is a requirement. Now let us come and see its process. You will take care of one thing here, that you can modify the bank details in the ledger of any party only when you have a modification power. Means for modification you need to first log in with the supervisor ID, for which you will go to master's menu, then to password and powers, and then from here click on operators. After that we will click on supervisor ID. So this Marg Powers window will open, in which we will click on search in all field, and in search field we will search bank detail and then click on accept button. And from the drop down of bank detail, example IFSC code, we will set Y, means we will do yes, and by pressing escape key we will click on yes on save changes window to save the changes. Now again by pressing escape key we will do yes to this sure to quit window and exit from this window. Now we will re-log in the software, and for that we will press Ctrl U key from the home screen of the software, and then enter the user ID and password here, and after that press escape key on this change user window. In this way you will get login with the supervisor ID and will be able to modify the bank details of your party or customer as per your requirement. Now let's come and see the process to modify the bank details in the software. For that we will go to books menu and enter on all ledger. So this ledger accounts window will open, in which we will press F3 key on that particular ledger whose bank details we need to modify. Then this selected ledger window open with some fields, in which you will click on bank detail field. So bank master of ledger window will open with some fields. In order to modify the details we will click on modify bank details tab. Now you can do whatever changes you want to do as per the requirement, like bank account number, bank name, bank branch name, bank city, IFSC code, etc. After filling the details, means after doing the changes, now in order to save the changes we will click on save bank details tab, which is being given here, and by clicking on exit tab we will exit from this window. So friends, by following this simple process shown in the video, you can modify the bank details of any ledger in the Marg software. Thank you.
Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.